Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my morning video for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here at the end of the video in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So gold has been playing out pretty much exactly as we've been saying. Yesterday, I was saying that this is likely going to go down and grab these lows right here, and it did do that last night in the Asian session exactly. Now, I am still very heavily bullish on the much higher time frames. I still think we're in a wave three. Actually, we're in like a wave three of wave three, and maybe a wave three of three of three. So like a third degree wave three, most likely. So I'm very, very bullish. And I still think that this could be like some sort of an expanding ABC type thing, or maybe even a WXY since this move down kind of played out in three waves. You know, one, two, three down, one, two, three up, one, two, three down. It's kind of a WXY. But either way, it doesn't matter if you label ABC, WXY. We are watching these Fibonacci levels very closely. It looked like it was possibly going to turn here, but it didn't really maintain momentum. It might make a run down to the 50. Either way, though, I would definitely be watching my fib levels very closely for an entry to go long. I still think we're going to make a run for that 3070 area. If we go all the way up to the daily time frame, I definitely think we're in a wave five of three, and I think we're in a one, two, three. Maybe we do stretch out for a little bit of a bigger wave four, and then a wave five. I think this 278 right around the 3070 is going to be our target for this whole thing. But we do have a Fibonacci cluster up here right around the 3160 area. It possibly could make a run for that Fibonacci cluster all the way up there. So we definitely need to continue to be very bullish on gold. Yes, we probably are in a correction right now. Could even be a wave four, but I still think it's just a correction within a bigger uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.